Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Callie and I make skincare, health and wellness, and general lifestyle type videos. So if you want to see more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe. But today I'm giving you guys 5 ways to save money on skincare. I know that sometimes skincare products well actually a lot of the times skincare products, especially really quality ones, can just be like outrageously expensive. I know that I'm always very nervous before I want to try out a product and I'm like, do I really want this? How can I really make these products more affordable for me? And how can I make them worth their while, worth their money? Through my life experience being a law student and like trying to save as much money as I can and trying to not spend my money frivolously, I've come up with a lot of different ways of saving on skincare. So let's just get into it. My first tip is to sample before buying. This is one of my favorite things to do. Every time I make an order from like Sephora or anything, I always have so much fun picking out the free samples that you get. And so I think that's a really great way to take the opportunity to try out new things that you have your eye on. These past couple times I've ordered from Sephora, I've picked up this Indie Lee Brightening Cleanser sample packet. This is something that I've had my eye on for a while because it is something that I mentioned in my Meghan Markle skincare favorites video. This is actually one of the most reasonably priced products that she uses. I think it's only like $34 for the cleanser, which is still like the medium range as far as cleansers go, but it definitely is not the most affordable option. Taking the advantage to get a sample of it is definitely a great way to give it a try before you actually take the splurge and buy it. It's a much better way to give something a try without making like the $30 investment and then hating it and then not being able to return it. I've done that before and I'm trying not to do it again. Buying samples like this is a really great way to do that. That's basically just what I do with any like new products that I want to try out or anything that looks interesting. Definitely go for the sample route first and then see how you like it and kind of go from there. Yeah, okay, so step 1 is to try the sample size first. Step 2 is to try the travel size first. So recently I bought the Core Organics No New Glow face oil and I've had my eye on this for seriously like so long. I believe that the full sized facial oil is around like $60, I'm pretty sure, but this little one is only $25. And so I've had a little bit of bad experience in the past with oils on my face, so I decided that instead of buying the $60 one, the $25 one would be a great thing to just sample out and be an in-between step, so you're making a little bit more of a commitment and so you have a bit of a more of a time for your face to adjust to the product and figure itself out and really for you to evaluate whether you like it or not, so you can decide whether you want to take the splurge and buy the real thing. But also I got this Caudalie Vino Perfect the Radiance Serum and I bought this with my Sephora points that I had stacked up. And this is like the trial size. Whether you actually purchase the travel size or use your like your points to try out a new product that you're interested in, I think that's a really great way to save a little bit of money on skincare, especially when you're trying out new products. So my third recommendation is to prioritize where you're using your more expensive products. This I really think is important because I've seen articles online about like how you save money in skincare and stuff, and like dermatologists, estheticians and stuff like that I've seen have said that use your more expensive products on your face when it comes to your neck and your décolleté, I don't know how you say it. But then in your chest is to use like just firming lotion, like the Nivea firming lotion, or just like really any body lotion you can use that will give your skin the same effects, and you don't really need to spend the extra money and like waste product on your neck and your chest. Like really you're just prioritizing that your face needs to stay nicer than your neck and chest and décolletage need to. Do you know what I mean? So basically, you can kind of prioritize what you're using your nice products for to kind of make them last a little bit longer and get all of the benefits from them that you really want when you're trying to save money on skincare. So my fourth tip is to invest in products that you actually need. This is like the hardest one for me to follow because although my primary concerns with my skin are not necessarily hydration or moisturizing and stuff like that, like I'm definitely more concerned with like keeping my skin clear and controlling my oil production in my skin, as well as like a little bit of anti-aging, but like I'm not to the point where like that needs to be my complete focus. You need to invest in the products that you actually need. So like look at your priorities and splurge on the skincare products that help achieve those goals and are in line with your priorities. So I always make sure to spend more on like my cleansers and like not compromise on cleansers and toners and moisturizers that are targeted to help clear your skin and keep your skin less oily. That's a really great way to minimize your skincare costs because you're really addressing the things that are most important to to you without frivolously spending money, because you have more of an attachment to like what you're trying to achieve with your skin and the products that you're buying. Whereas for me, even though I really like, I'm having a moment with serums where I'm just like obsessed and I want all of them, but to be honest with you, like what I need to be focusing and like channeling my skincare budget for is like making sure my skin is clear, giving it what it needs to not break out and stuff like that, because if I don't do that, like it's gonna spiral out of control. So you just really need to keep your priorities in line and invest in the things that your skin needs. And so my fifth and final tip is to do your research. So basically, this became very obvious to me that I wasn't doing this when my sister and I did our Holy Grail skincare video, and I had been buying my Weleda skin food, which we both use, from Target, and it was $18, and she buys hers from Amazon and she buys it for $15, I'm pretty sure. And that difference, like I was like, why have I been buying from Target this whole time when I could like save $3 and buy it from Amazon? I think it's really important to do your research before you're investing or like buying a product, to like look at a bunch of different websites and see like what is the most reasonably priced and where you can get the best deal on a specific product. Also, with your research, my mom does this the best. She loves to shop. So she knows when the sales are coming. She knows like when the Nordstrom's anniversary sale is and like all of those types of different things. Is when there's a sale, take advantage of it. My mom gets most of her skincare products from the Skin Store or from Arbonne. She knows to buy in bulk when those big sales come along, because they don't come along so often. Do your research, know when these things are happening, and take advantage of them, because it'll end up saving you money in the long run. And so my bonus tip, didn't see that one coming, is to use Honey, that internet plugin that you see who sponsors YouTube videos all the time. This video is not sponsored. I downloaded Honey like a long time ago, and I use it like almost every time I buy something online. Just recently, just had a really big impact on my life lately, and so I wanted to tell you guys about this experience because I think it's just the best. I've been wanting to try out this mascara. I had it in my shopping cart on Sephora, and I was about to press purchase, and then Honey popped up and was like, oh, let's see if any of my coupon codes will like plug in. So I was like, sure, let's do it. It does its thing, and then it pops up. A coupon code ended up being applied to my order that gave me a free trial size of the mascara that I had been wanting to try from Sephora. So basically, this thing ended up saving me $30 because I got the trial size of the mascara and I hated it. And so it was the most clutch situation. So those are the tips that I have. If you guys want to leave any other tips that you have on the ways you save on skincare down below, that would be great. Everybody else can check them out. We can all check them out. We can all be really economical together, and it'll be a good time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like because it really supports my channel, and make sure to subscribe because I put out new videos every Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!